Good evening, students. So in this video I'm going to explain the graph of displacement, velocity and acceleration for a body performing linear SHM. Here the body is performing the linear SHM starting from the origin. Therefore its epoch or else initial phase difference will be equal to 0. So therefore I do have the phase to be omega t. Therefore the equation can be written as for displacement as x is equal to a sine omega t. That with respect to that we do get the value of velocity, its velocity as a omega cos omega t, because we are knowing the value of differentiation of sin omega t. What is the differentiation of sin omega t? Differentiation of sin omega t is omega cos omega t. Okay, so therefore the equation for v becomes a omega cos omega t. In the same way we go for the equation for acceleration. Equation for acceleration is the differentiation of velocity, and what is the differentiation of cos omega t? Differentiation of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. Just multiply that thing to a omega, I will be getting it as minus a omega square sin omega t. So these are the three required equations. The three required equations are x is equal to, the three required equations will be x is equal to a sin omega t, v is equal to a omega cos omega t, and acceleration is equal to minus a omega square sin omega t. I have already plotted this graph over here so that the video becomes much more shorter. But how do we get these values for this graph? We get it by using by substituting the value of time period. The time period which I have taken, value of time, the value of time with respect to time period. I have taken the value of time as 0, quarter of time period, half of time period, 3/4 of time period, one time period, and just quarters have been added to it. Okay, some values I have written over here. Let's see how do we get those values. Before getting those values, what is the argument of these three equations? The argument of the three equations are omega t, and omega t. So for the convenience, what I do is that I do get the value of my omega t in my graph, in my equation table, equation chart itself. So omega t, we do know what is omega. Omega is 2 pi by t. Therefore omega t is equal to 2 pi by t into small t. Yeah, so just substitute the values of t in omega t and I get these values. What are they? Like 0, when I substitute this becomes 0, and t by 4, when I substitute t by 4, I will be getting it as pi by 2. When I go for t by 2, I get it as pi. 3t by 4, I get it as 3 pi by 2. T, I get it as 2 pi, and it just goes on. As 5 pi by 2, 3 pi, 7 pi by 2, and 4 pi. The values for x. Let's see the values for x. If I just substitute the the value of omega t over here in x, therefore x is equal to a sine 0. A sine 0 will be, sine 0 is 0, so therefore it will become 0. Next, I will just discuss still one period. Next, let's go for pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1. Sine pi by 2 is 1, so therefore it becomes a. Next value for x is a. Next, pi, sine pi is 0, so it will become 0. Then again 3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, therefore it becomes minus a. Then 2 pi, sine 2 pi is 0, so therefore the value of x is 0. So if I try to plot the value for x, I will be just substituting. This is c here, values of t are been written over here as t by 4 in terms of quarters been added. Okay, so therefore these values have been represented over here. For time t equal to 0, it is 0. For t by 4 it is a, for t by 4 it is a. For t by 2 it is 0, t by 2 it is 0. For 3t by 4 it is minus a, it is minus a. For one time period it is 0, so it is 0, and it just goes on. Let's see the value for v and acceleration together. The value for v, it depends upon the value for cos omega t. So cos omega t 0, cos 0 is 1, so it is a omega. Cos t by 4, that is cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is equal to 0, so therefore it becomes 0. The whole thing becomes 0. So in the same manner, we get it as minus a omega, 0, and a omega. The plot is of a omega, 0, minus a omega, 0, and a omega, and it just goes on. Let's go for acceleration. Here the acceleration is the same thing what we had for sine omega t, but with a minus sign. It is sine 0. What do we have? Sine 0 is 0, so it will become 0. Sine pi by 2 is 1, so it will become minus a, so it will become minus a omega square. So minus a omega square. Sine pi is 0, so 0, so it is 0. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so it will become plus a omega square. Sin 2 pi is 0, so it is 0. So we do have this graph here. Yeah, so this is the graphical representation of x, v and acceleration. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.